Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to use Zoom and also how to record and send a meeting, just in case you want to record any conversations for classes. So first up, we're going to open up the application over here and let's go to Home. And at the top corner here we have this little cog. This is our Settings tab. If we click on here and we go down to Recording, we can choose this. It says record video during screen sharing, or add a timestamp in the recording can be quite helpful. Record a separate audio file for each participant. If you're doing a class with different people, this might be good. And you can also choose a place for the file to be saved, but I'll just stick with this. This will go to my Zoom folder, so it'll be easy for me to find later. Okay. So what we'll do is we're going to start a new meeting. And here's me and my daughter, and she's going to help me today. And we're going to join with computer audio. And now it says we're using the computer audio. And down here, can you see? This says record. So imagine that I'm recording this with another person, with another conversation. But I will click on here. And it's now recording. We can pause, we can stop recording. We can do everything as normal. So let's do a quick test conversation. So, what's your name? Emma. And Emma, how old are you?
5.
You're 5?
No, 6.
You're 6, that's right. And Emma, what is your favourite colour?
Pink.
Pink, really? And what is your favourite animal?
Bunny.
Bunny? Would you like a pink bunny?
A white?
White bunny? Sounds good. Okay, so that'll be our quick example, and we'll stop recording that. And it says here, the recording will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So let's do that now. What we'll do is we'll end the meeting. End for all. And it says here, Zoom US would like to access files in your documents folder. So we have to allow this. So, for people, for security reasons, might be a bit nervous about this, but for them to save the file, we need to, unfortunately. Okay, so now it's converted. It's in my documents, in my Zoom folder, and here it is. Here we've got the audio files are right here. So it's not so large. So next up, I'll show you how we can send this to our teachers or to our students later on. Okay, so here we have an email. I'll just send this to myself. Just over here. Oops, excuse me. Okay, that should be fine. Subject, Zoom recording. And we're going to click on attach. And we're going to browse this computer. And again, we'll go Documents, Zoom, and Audio Record. It should be this one here. And even if you talk for a long time, it should be small enough to attach to an email. And we'll send that. And it's sent. It's as easy as that to record and send a conversation. So we can use that with the students if we want to grade them having conversations with each other, or even we can record it ourselves if we test the students with conversations. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you got any questions, please leave them below the video and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So yes. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
I'll click on here. And it's now recording. We can pause, we can stop recording. We can do everything as normal. So let's do a quick test conversation. So, what's your name? Emma. And Emma, how old are you?
5.
You're 5?
No, 6.
You're 6, that's right. And Emma, what is your favourite colour?
Pink.
Pink, really? And what is your favourite animal?
Bunny.
Bunny, would you like a pink bunny?
A white?
White bunny, sounds good. Okay, so that'll be our quick example, and we'll